Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Afzal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we have seen about text view and image view. In this video, we are going to see about the edit text. What is edit text? Edit text is nothing but it is used to take the input from the user. Okay, in text view, we are directly displaying the text. By using edit text, you can take the input from the user and you can display in a toast message or text view anywhere according to your requirement. You can display the edit text. Okay, so let's see one example. Here my requirement is to display two edit text and one button whenever user type username and password and click on the submit button. I want to display a toast message. Whatever user enter username and password, I want to display on the toast message. Okay, this is my requirement. Okay, first we will design the UI and then we'll see the code. So open Android Studio project. Here you need to have edit text, right? Edit text. You need to type the edit text and then specify width and height. I'm taking width as match parent and height as 65 dp. So okay, by using this hint tag, you can provide a hint to the user. Okay, enter username so that user can enter. Okay, so I want to increase the size of the hint. So there is a tag called text size. So I'm taking 25 dp. Okay, and gravity tag, I want this text view to be center. Okay, so if you want to add font, you can add font. Okay, if you want to add the icon, there is a tag called drawable left. By using this tag, you can add the icon. I already have one icon in the drawable folder, so I'm using it. Okay, so here the icon is visible here. Okay, and I want to bold the text. Okay, so there is a tag called style. Okay, text style. Okay, it is become bold. Now it is become bold. Okay, and I want some margin from all the sides. I want margin from all the sides. Okay, as soon as I enter margin only, you can see. So our first edit text is ready now. I'm copying it and paste. Okay, change the name to password, and so here we have two edit text. Okay, so how can we identify which one is username and which one is password? So for this one, we are having ID tag. By using this ID tag, you can identify username edit text and password edit text and password edit text. Okay, by using this tag, we can identify and we can perform the action. Okay, so we have added two edit text. Okay, so we need a one button here, button, and width of the button is match parent and height is wrap content, and the text for the button is submit. Okay, so we need to perform the action on the button. Whenever user click the button, he should get some information from the user. Okay, so we need ID for this button as well. Submit button. I'm giving here ID as submit button. Okay, so our UI is ready now. Okay, so we'll see the Java code now. So we are taking to edit text, right? Edit text, username and password. So we need to access first the IDs we need to access. Okay, we are taking one button as well. We are taking one button also. Okay, we need to access the button ID also. Submit button. Okay. So first I'm accessing the IDs for edit text and button. First one is username, edit text. By using find view by ID, we can access the IDs of the edit text. Okay. First one ID is username. So for password, we are accessing password ID also. So here we are accessing both the edit text IDs and one button ID, submit button. Okay, this is button. By using find view by ID, we are accessing the IDs. Okay, so now we have the IDs. So my requirement is when the user click on the button, I need to perform some action. Whenever user enter name and password and click on the button, I need to perform some action. Whenever user enter the username and password and click on the submit button, there is a listener called onClick listener. It will invoke. Okay, onClick listener will be invoked, and it is taking one parameter as onClick listener as parameter. Okay, so here override method is there, right? OnClick method is there. When the user click the submit button, this OnClick method will be invoked. Okay, whatever the code we are using here, it will be executed. So here I want to display a toast message. Okay, so make text is the method which is taking three parameters. First one is the context. Okay, second is the text what you want to display. Okay, I want to display login successfully here. When the user login successfully, this message will be displayed. So apart from this, I want to display. So here we are displaying a toast message. Okay, so let's run the application and see the result what we are getting. I have run the application and it is visible successfully. Okay, so give some name. I'm giving Kalim here and password. Okay, I'm giving the password and the username and clicking on the submit button. We are getting the username and password. Successfully login, username Kalim and password 4545. Okay, you can give any name, like I'm taking Salim, changing the password as well, and clicking on the submit button. You can see username is Salim, password is changed. Okay, by using this edit text concept, you can take the input from the user